Hello friends, Tanya here with another video featuring the Spellbinders April 2022 card kits. This one is the die of the month and the embossing folder of the month. The embossing folder of the month is called Radiant Burst, and as always it is an 8.5 by 5.5 inch embossing folder that deeply embosses on your cardstock. This does fit through your Big Shot or your Spellbinders Platinum 6. I happen to have a Spellbinders Platinum. I love the larger format. Then we have the die of the month, which cuts out these beautiful gift packages, and it also has two pieces that will cut the edge. So you could have these gifts coming up from the bottom of a page or coming down from the top of the page, or you can use those pieces to die cut the gifts out completely. There's also some dies to cut out some little bows and some beautiful sentiments to coordinate with this. I have taken 3 colors of Distress ink here. I wanted the brighter version, so I didn't use the Distress oxides. This does take a little bit longer to blend when you use the Distress inks versus the Distress oxides. And I took the 3 primary colors. I've got Kitsch Flamingo, Squeezed Lemonade, and Salvaged Patina. And I am doing a rainbow of ink blending on here with these 3 primary colors. Where they overlap, we get our extra colors to create our rainbow. I'm going to add the Kitsch Flamingo on this end, and that's going to blend with the yellow to make a nice orange, and the yellow and the Salvaged Patina blended together to make a nice green. It's almost like mowed lawn. It's a lovely, bright, cheery green. I love that rainbow effect. Next, I had taken the dies to cut out the frame and the innards of these gift packages, and I'm going to layer those over the top of my ink blended piece. Now, they didn't match exactly, but I bet you won't even notice. I'm just making sure the tops all line up, and there's just a smidgen that hangs out the bottom. And you might even think that that was by design, the way that it looks. And I took these gift bow dies and I cut them out to put on 6 of the packages. I did have to go back and cut one more time. It cuts out a 3 loop and a 4 loop for on each die, so you get 2 bows with each pass of your die. And oh yeah, I think that's how that was. I'll have to go back and look. And then I just adhered those to the tops of the packages. Next, I'm going to take a piece of cardstock that will fit on a mini Slimline card, and I'm going to run that through the Radiant Burst embossing folder of the month. I am just lining this up where I like it on the embossing folder, and I'm using my main image to figure out if that is exactly where I want it. I want it to look like there is a burst of shine behind them. I'm also using this mini Slimline card builder die that was a large die of the month kit from much earlier this year, or last year I should say. It's from 2021. It has the perfect detailed layers for a mini Slimline, and I took this scalloped mini Slimline layer and I cut that from some shimmery white cardstock. I had used the precision layering die set for mini Slimlines and die cut that piece that I did the embossing, and now I'm going to adhere our gifts directly to that embossed panel, and we have this beautiful base for a card. But I'm not done yet. Next, I'm going to take those sentiment dies from the same kit, the Die of the Month kit, and I'm going to glue those on after I've die cut them from some mirror gold cardstock. I am going to add the words "It's Your Day" on the front. There are several other words that combine to create some gift-giving sentiments. It's your happy day. A gift for you, I think, is the other sentiment that you can put. I don't know if birthday is in there, but it is a fun way to add your sentiments to the card. Now I did put the beginning and the end of my sentiment down first, and then I centered the word your right between those. So there would be nice even spacing across the card. I like that it's centered and shiny and kind of blends in with our card. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you loved this card, please let me know what you loved about it down in the comments below. I love to hear from you. If you aren't subscribed to this channel, please take a moment to do that now. And if you're interested in any of the product that I used today, check the description box where there will be links in a list right there for you to check out. Until next time, bye-bye.